After a successful launch of the Eco Excel initiative and the commencement of the training of teachers, the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board took a step further to organize a workshop for local government education authority secretaries on the initiative. Addressing participants, Chairman of the board, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, said the workshop is a response from the emerging trends that arose after the effective implementation of the initiative. He also disclosed that the workshop will be a continuous exercise.
See this as a response to the emerging trend that arose after we have launched and implemented the Excel. We must be in tune with reality, and we will do this from time to time. So see this more or less like an on-job training to upskill what you learned before and to upscale what you're about to do.
Participants were enlightened on the Eco Excel initiative and its modus operandi. Board members of Lasubeb shared their views on the initiative.
The idea of this workshop is so that we can all learn and understand the critical back-end matters. We have raised some issues with technical partners already that is already being resolved. And we want to commend all the team and the steering committee for the good work they have been doing. And by the end of this year, we will be celebrating on the job well done by the grace of God.
As board members, we have gone around some schools and we have our plus and minus that we intend to channel across to you in due time. We want to appreciate your efforts. Raising pupils, we all know, is not an easy job. So we want to commend and appreciate every one of you. But as we appreciate you, we still expect more from you.
You guys are very, very important to the success of the program. The information when it comes to us that we get, you guys are going to ensure that information is accurate and timely. Also, we're talking about enrollment. As you can see, enrollment is one of the markers that show the success of the program. So, I don't know if we can have a way of having the real-time enrollment of students passed onto us timely.
This Eco Excel, we have already started seeing some teaching approach. We all have to work together since it is a program that the state government is interested in to ensure that it works. And since you are the ones on ground, we will appeal to all of us to assist the system in a way that everything will work out fine. Our goal again as stakeholders is that we try as much as possible to carry the parents along. The vehicle has moved, Eco Excel has moved. We all have to walk into it, we walk the talk, so that it will be a success by the grace of God.
Now we are here today to accommodate ES through expository. There's certain things that we not understand before. Now we really benefit from it and we know it better. Because they are now exposing us to the rudiments, methodology, which is going to facilitate or reinforce supervision, monitoring, and it will also empower us to solve little challenges at the grassroots. Instead of rushing to a Eco Excel center, we're able to solve that problem at the lower level.
Eco Excel to us is an important tool that can, bridge, and correct the lapses we have observed and identified in the sector. Emerging trend is happening on a daily basis, and our teacher must also be ready to, to make those challenges surmountable. That is the essence of the workshop today.
It would be recalled that the Eco Excel initiative was introduced by the state government as an education reform program that is poised to develop highly skilled teachers through training, supporting and motivating existing government teachers to succeed in their classrooms.